So how do we test for a specific ion? In this case, we have copper sulfate, and we're told it's a compound of copper, which you should be able to pick up from the name. Copper sulfate solution contains copper 2 ions and sulfate ions. A solution can be added to copper sulfate solution to show the presence of copper 2 ions. Okay, so this is the key part. We got copper sulfate solution, but we want to test specifically for the copper 2 ions. So if you were to give a test to actually show the sulfate ions, you wouldn't get the mark. Okay, your test needs to show the copper 2 ions. Now, how do we test for copper ions? Basically, we can add sodium hydroxide solution, okay? And when we add the sodium hydroxide solution, what ends up happening is you produce a blue precipitate. So what you'll see is that your solution ends up with some blue solid in it, and it might look blue from that solid as a result. Okay, so you end up with a blue precipitate, and that's the reaction of the copper sulfate with the sodium hydroxide.